So this is why you fully weld things. So I knew this front piece was in pretty bad shape. Hopefully you can see. See all the holes in it? It's better. I'm glad I just cut that piece out of there. But see, this is why you fully weld things. All this grass, this is all grass, gets up in underneath here, and then it starts to rust, and water sits in here. So I'm going to grind that all smooth again, and I'm going to try at some point to flip this whole brush hog over upside down and fully weld the bottom too, so that, you know, water and stuff doesn't lay in here. And see, the problem is that stuff stays, it gets in there and it collects in there, and then it stays in there, and then water sits, and then you get rusting. So this piece here is, it's plenty thick, but it's, you gotta fully weld things, which is probably what I'm gonna do for all of this, fully weld everything, and same thing in the gearbox there. So I'm gonna continue cutting or grinding that stuff clean, and then I will have to cut another piece here to fit that, because the piece I had there, I didn't think I was going to go through as far as what I wanted to, but hey, it's done now, and I'm glad I did it.